Home should be a place where you can relax, unwind, and shake off the stress of everyday life. But if your home is messy, it might actually be adding to that stress instead. In fact, some experts believe that a cluttered home can make conditions like depression worse. When you're feeling low, even the thought of tidying up can be overwhelming, and that mess can end up making negative feelings even worse. A chaotic, disorganised space can make you feel like you're not in control. And when you feel less in control, you're less likely to feel happy. Your brain naturally craves order, and too much mess can leave it feeling overstimulated and stressed. Living in a tidy, organised space can help remove some of that unnecessary stress. But clutter doesn't just affect your stress levels. It can also act as a constant reminder that there are still jobs left to do. And when you always feel like there's something that needs doing, it can be harder to fully relax at home. Some research even suggests that a messy bedroom can make it harder to sleep properly. And we all know that poor sleep can have a huge impact on our mood. A messy space can also create feelings of anxiety and guilt. And if you're already struggling with your mental health, that extra stress can make things worse. Part of this anxiety comes from not knowing how much time and effort it will take to sort everything out. So can a messy house actually cause depression? A 2020 review published in BMC Public Health found a link between household chaos and depression. But the big question is, does mess cause depression? Or is it just a symptom of it? The research on this isn't totally clear, but it's easy to see how living in a messy house could leave you feeling overwhelmed. Here are a few ways a cluttered home could contribute to depression. Overstimulation. A cluttered space can make it harder for your brain to relax. Overwhelm. Looking at the mess might make you feel defeated before you even start. Embarrassment. You might feel ashamed of the mess and avoid inviting people over. Less enjoyment of your home. A messy space can make your home feel less like a sanctuary. So, if a messy house is getting you down, what can you do about it? Here are a few simple strategies that can help both your space and your mental health. First, put things back where they belong as soon as you're done with them. It sounds simple, but once it becomes a habit, your home will stay tidy without much effort. Second, put on your favourite upbeat music when you tidy. Singing along to your favourite tunes can actually make cleaning feel fun. Third, use containers for frequently used items. Having a designated spot for things like keys, pens or papers makes it easier to stay organised. Fourth, set a 10-minute timer for tidying. Tackling the whole house might feel overwhelming, but 10 minutes? That's doable. And once you've started, you'll probably want to keep going. Finally, ask for help if you need it. Decluttering can feel like a massive task, especially if you struggle to let things go. Having a friend or relative help you can make it easier, and a lot quicker. You could even consider hiring a professional decluttering service if you need extra support. To summarise, a messy house probably won't cause depression all on its own. In most cases, it's more likely to be a symptom rather than a root cause. And just because clutter gets you down sometimes doesn't necessarily mean you're depressed. But if you're struggling with your mental health, don't be afraid to reach out for professional help. Your well-being is always the most important thing. Let me know what you think in the comments. Does mess affect your mood? I hope this video has helped. Don't forget to subscribe for more home care, laundry and washing machine tips. Thanks for watching.